Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope everyone is doing well. I just wanted to share a quick video of Kaba, and as you can see there are so many birds that are doing Tawaf right above Kaba, and it's an amazing morning, really nice weather, alhamdulillah. We finished Fajr Namaz and then we came in for Tawaf. And just like last year, they're only allowing the people with the ihram inside. So in order for you to come inside in the Mataf area, you need to wear ihram. Otherwise, you have to go do Tawaf on the first level, which is kind of tough because they make it so difficult for you to come inside, and you really want to come near the Kaaba. But I think this is the third time I came ever since I've been here. But alhamdulillah, we were able to come in today. Over here you can also see Muqame Ibraheem. Whenever we come, we see the construction is going around, so it's like never-ending construction, and I think they keep expanding Haram area, which is really good. And there was something interesting I found out last night is whenever the Azan time happens, the moon on top of the clock tower turns green. So I'm going to see if I can try to get that tonight. But in the meantime, I'm going to show you Kaba over here. A really beautiful view. Like, it's never enough for you to come here. And alhamdulillah, we were able to touch Kaba and Muqame Ibraheem. And we were trying to go inside the Hatim, but they says it's going to open at 9:30. Depending on the weather, if it's going to rain, then they might not open Hatim. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't liked, make sure you like, subscribe our channel. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.